Hey guys, Erik with MobileMustHave.com, and today I've got a new product from Hughes Autoformer, the makers of Power Watchdog products. It's their new digital multimeter. If you have a multimeter already, you may still want to watch this video because this little guy's got some tricks up its sleeve. Come along with us and I'll tell you all about it. Now, a lot of you may already have a multimeter. This is the one that I was carrying in my RV as my backup, and then I've got a kind of higher end one as well. I've got a ton of them because I'm always doing power stuff. But, you know, there's a lot of like modes. What are all of these doing? And what is AC and DC power? And wait, did he say the AC power is the one on the pedestal, or is it the There's a lot going on. And the average person who's just trying to figure out what's going on with a fuse or a circuit or checking to see if the pedestal power is experiencing an issue doesn't want or need a degree in electrical engineering. So Hughes knows that. The folks at Autoformers spent a lot of time developing a multimeter that can really kind of take a lot of the guesswork out of what you need to quickly diagnose power problems on the road. First, if you notice on that screen, what does it say? It says auto. The device has the ability to auto detect pretty much whatever you've got going on when you go in to diagnose a power solution. So if you hop over to the pedestal, you want to diagnose what's going on with AC power, it's going to know it's AC, it's going to automatically switch over to AC. There's no switching or anything you need to deal with. If you're diagnosing something on a circuit, a little tiny fuse, something with your DC side systems, or you're checking 12 volt positive or negative connectivity to wire something in, it's going to automatically know you're on the DC side and it's going to give you the correct voltage and readouts. It comes with your standard multimeter power leads here, and what I like, I've seen these in some of the newer units, super cool, is that it has these insulating covers here so that if you're trying to get into the back of something and you don't want to touch any wires that you're not supposed to touch, it has these insulating connectors, but you can pull them off to give yourself access to prongs that may be inside of like a power plug or something like that where you need a little bit more depth. So that's a nice touch. They've also really kind of sharpened up the tips here, so they're very sharp. So if you did want to go through some insulation to get to the wire without stripping the wire back, you could do so. So nice, good, high quality leads there. In addition to auto mode, this also has the ability to no contact sense AC voltage, kind of like those wands that you can just get close to a power panel and see if there's power before you go messing with it to avoid getting yourself a shock. And that's a super cool feature. You normally need a totally separate tool for that. So if you just hold down this function key and go over on the menu to NCV, which is second to last on the screen, you don't even need these power leads anymore if you're looking to check a standard plug to see if it's hot or not. You can just go right over to a plug and boom, oh, there's power there, something's going on. So this now has the ability to quickly tell, I'm pretty far away from the power source. If I go over here, right to the hot is always the smaller hole in the United States, boom, it's going. And there's a light on the front there saying red, don't touch that, it's still hot. So it gives you the ability to quickly check. This will also work on the power pedestal before you go doing any electrical repairs. Another feature I really like on this little thing is the light. Not only can you press that second button right there once and get the display to backlight, which is so helpful, but if you hold that button down, it's got a flashlight on the back of it. You might think that's kind of gimmicky, but when you're out there, you're in the rain, you're in the cold, you're just trying to figure out what fuse is bad, having a light on your multimeter is just a really nice option, especially considering how low the price point is on this little device. So you've got that no contact voltage sensor, you've got all of the features of a traditional multimeter, you got a super compact case, you've got the backlight, you've got the flashlight. There's a lot going on in this little guy for a very, very low and attractive price point. For a complete list of specifications, hop over to MobileMustHave.com and check out the listing page. We'll also put that in the description of the video. Yes, it's got the ability to look at your frequencies, resistance. It can check for open circuits. It's a standard test light. It does everything that a standard multimeter would do. Plus, it gives you the backlit screen, the flashlight, high quality components, all in a very portable, compact package. As always, these products are eligible for our membership discounts. If you don't know about our memberships, I highly recommend you check them out at membership.mobilemusthave.com. Upgraded shipping, reward points or double reward points that you can redeem for cash back towards future purchases, discounts on the products that you purchase, a whole slew of additional benefits. Access to the Mobile Internet Resource Center, the list goes on and on and on, so make sure you check that out. If you have any questions about this product or any product, please hop over to mobilemusthave.com, click on the bottom right-hand corner, and you can start a chat up with one of our experts. You can also schedule a phone consultation at talk.mobilemusthave.com, or you can email us at info@mobilemusthave.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.